So in this video, we're going to talk about how to run this script. It's a Python script that's meant to be run in VS Code or any IDE that allows interactive graphical pop-ups. So for this script, okay, it takes an input file. It's a CSV file, and the data has to be structured like this. There needs to be a column with the name category spelled exactly like this. In this case, there's a dog category and a cat category. And then the actual values, X, Y, and Z, right, need to have column names PC1, PC2, and PC3. Otherwise, the script will crash because it looks for these keywords. Now, if you want to use this script to plot any three-dimensional data, then you can change, okay, the names of these value columns to something else. However, whatever you change it to be in your data, you need to also change it here in step 3 and on, right? Because the script looks for the X axis, it looks for something called PC1. For the Y axis, it looks for something called PC2, so on and so forth. That's in your data, okay? All right, so once you have your data correctly formatted, you need to just paste in the file path to your working directory here in step 1. And then you paste in the name of your file, the CSV file, that's in your working directory right here. And once you do that, you just click run. Okay, in this case for VS Code, this version is up here. And when it runs, this window will pop up. And this is your 3D plot here. Okay, and you can even expand this window and move this around, and you can either take screenshots or export. I'm sure one of these is saved is to export the image. There you go.